everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Chinese for Absolute Beginners. I'm Tingting. In the last video, we learned some basic Chinese initials. Today, we are going to learn some confusing Chinese sounds. Ji, qi, xi, zhi, chi, shi, zhi. Let's start with ji, qi, xi. For this group, your tongue is flat and very close to the roof of your mouth, and your lips are slightly smiling. First, ji, ji. Watch my mouth. Ji, ji. This pronounce sounds like ji in jeep. Ji, ji. Next, qi. Same position as ji, qi, but with strong ir. Qi, qi. Qi is pronounced like qi in cheese. Qi, qi. Next, xi, xi. This is a soft one. Xi, 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 xi. Very good. Repeat after me. Ji, qi, xi, ji, qi, xi. Same tongue position, just different ir and strength. Now we move to stronger tongue sounds. Zhi, chi, shi. Your tongue will go a little backward and upward. First, zhi, zhi. Sounds like you say jam is a j, 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 or in judge, j, 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 zhi, zhi, zhi. Tongue is a little curled. Lips relaxed. Zhi, zhi, zhi. Next one. Chi, chi. This is like English chi in chair, but with more air. Chi, chi. And it sounds like chi in chat. Chi, chi. Next, shi, shi. Shi is like English sh in show. Shi. Tongue is back. Lips are a little rounded. Shi, shi. Repeat after me. Zhi, chi, shi. Again. Zhi, chi, shi. Finally, last one. Zhi, zhi. This is not English r. It's r. It sounds like a little zhi with the sounds sh together. Zhi, zhi. Zhi is pronounced with the tongue curled back as for l in love. L, l, l. But with the tip of the tongue not touching the roof of the mouth. Zhi, zh, zh. Before we're finished, let's compare these two groups. First group, ji, qi, xi. Second group, your tongue is pulled back. Zh, ch, sh, zh. Can you hear the difference? In the next video, we are going to learn other new initials. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe it. Thanks for watching. See you next lesson. Bye bye.